If you want silky smooth hair and skin, it might be time to change your shower heads. Lately, my skin felt really dry after showering and my hair was getting frizzy and hard to manage. That's when I discovered the Sia water shower heads. It helps filter out chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities from your water. Plus, you can choose either a handheld version or a wall mount. And installation is super simple as it fits most standard showers. Since switching, my skin feels softer after every shower and my hair is way smoother and easier to manage. If your skin feels dry or your hair gets frizzy after showering, definitely look into the Sia shower heads.